5 simple breathing exercises to instantly reduce anxiety.
Feeling anxious? Simple breathing techniques can help calm your mind and body fast. These methods are easy to learn, require no special equipment, and can be practiced anywhere. In this video, discover 5 proven breathing exercises perfect for beginners that you can use anytime you need instant relief from anxiety.
1. Deep belly breathing.
Also known as diaphragmatic breathing, deep belly breathing helps slow your heart rate and ease tension. Sit or lie comfortably, place a hand on your belly, and inhale deeply through your nose. Let your belly rise, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Practice this for a few minutes, focusing on the gentle rise and fall of your breath.
2. Box breathing.
Box breathing is a structured technique used by athletes and first responders to stay calm. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Exhale for 4, and pause for 4 more. Repeat this cycle for several rounds. The even timing gives your mind a steady rhythm to focus on, reducing anxious thoughts.
3. 4-7-8 breathing.
The 4-7-8 method is designed to relax your nervous system. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 7, then breathe out slowly through your mouth for 8 counts. This longer exhale encourages deeper relaxation. Try 3 to 4 cycles to quickly calm your body and mind.
4. Alternate nostril breathing.
Alternate nostril breathing is a traditional practice that balances both sides of your brain and can bring a sense of calm. Using your thumb and finger, close one nostril and breathe in deeply through the other. Switch sides before exhaling. Continue alternating for several rounds, breathing slowly and gently each time.
5. Mindful counting breath.
For this exercise, breathe naturally and mentally count each inhale and exhale up to 10. Then start again. Mindful counting helps ground your thoughts in the present, breaking the cycle of anxious rumination. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the count.
Bringing it all together.
Breathing exercises are simple, quick tools you can use anytime anxiety strikes. By practicing techniques like deep belly breathing, box breathing, 4-7-8 breathing, alternate nostril breathing, and mindful counting, you give yourself a moment to pause, reset, and find calm. Start with just one and see the difference for yourself.